smash.
Okay, I think main road we have one bunk to the left. Until then I won't wear my gloves. We are leaving to Rameshwaram, by the way. Time is 7 o'clock in the evening. Shriram is getting ready. We are all done. So this is day 2, second part. From Kanyakumari we are leaving to Rameshwaram. We stayed in this hole called Hotel Madini. It's a pretty decent hotel for the price we paid. We have booked a hotel there in Rameshwaram. It's called Hotel Rameshwaram Grand. Done? Yeah. It is 293 kilometers from here. 93.
Yeah.
And it is showing 5 hours 52 minutes. We can do it in 4 hours.
Yeah.
One stretch we can finish it off. Yesterday when we came, this whole part was filled with water. This part, this complete. I don't know how much clearly you guys can see, but we had a very tough time navigating. Yeah, we came from this way. We didn't know how deep was these potholes and all. Oh god, I couldn't record or anything because 40 kilometers back it started raining and I had to put back my GoPro. I removed everything because it is not waterproof. It was a nightmare. Yeah, seriously, when we came it was smashing rain plus wind, not even rain. With wind we had to struggle with high crosswinds, and whole night it rained. So we came here at 12:30. You would have seen my previous videos, right? Please subscribe if you are new to this channel. It will motivate me. So now we are exiting the city of Kanyakumari. Our experience was very good. You would have seen in the day 2 video. We explored proper Kanyakumari outskirts, village roads, beaches, viewpoints, what not. All the tourist attractions are closed due to COVID restrictions. So apart from that, it was pretty much good. I had very good experience, man. Me and Shriram, we enjoyed like anything. Now we have to refuel. Range is around 50 kilometers. That's what my bike reading is showing. So I need to refuel. This guy has to refuel. He has small issue with the fuel tank. It has cracked a bit on the top. So if he does a full tank, right, fuel tends to leak. Thought of getting a MCL and fixing it, but we didn't get time here actually. I think with one full tank we can finish it off. We can go to Rameshwaram. Night riding, that is the task now. So till Tirunelveli will be on National Highway, that is 44. From Tirunelveli, I think we have to take a right, which is all state highways. I am not sure about the route and all because this is the first time I am doing. So we don't know what is the situation there. We'll refuel quickly. Sir, full tank? Fuel is 102.61. Bangalore 105. Bangalore. Podu. Card. I filled up 12 liters, so more 2.5 liters was there. I think more 2 liters were there. Trip 1, I'm making it as 0. Yesterday's and today 688. So trip 1 is 0, so that we'll see what is the distance exactly from Kanyakumari to Rameshwaram. So weather is okay, it is a bit cloudy. So I've worn my rain pant. If at all it rains, I'll wear my jacket, rain jacket. Even Shriram has put all his liners and everything. Around 150 kilometers we'll stop for a tea break. Apart from that we'll hit it. Gloves is still wet of yesterday's rain. I think he's done with the payment. Bags all good. We have to go like this?
Left and then right.
Okay, officially we are starting from Kanyakumari. I like the way the people are. They are so humble. I mean, always I had very good experiences in Tamil Nadu and Kerala part with whatever rides I have done. Very good people by heart. Even the hotel staff where we were staying, no, even that guy was good. The service was good. So if you are planning to stay, Hotel Madini is the name. In 5.1 kilometers we'll be hitting NH44. And we'll be riding till Tirunelveli on the same road. If we go straight, it will go to Bangalore, up north. Tirunelveli is straight, 81 kilometers. Yes. I have aux lights and all. I'll use it whenever there is no opposite traffic. The same roads yesterday we came in full rain. It was nice. So Sriram was telling it's all about experience, correct? 600 kilometers we rode without rains, and immediately the last 40 kilometers, man, 40 kilometers we had rain. And he is a very good lead in rides and all. He leads like properly. He'll maintain that pace. He'll watch out for traffic. I really enjoyed riding with this guy. I said him personally also, but on the camera, let's be on record. To our channel, please subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram also. ID will be coming up here. ARYN _Rajesh. Yes, for more live updates. Because tomorrow in this video, this will be a travel video, but tomorrow I'll show you guys how Dhanushkodi looks, how Rameshwaram looks. It will be night ride, guys. For 300 kilometers we'll be riding in single lanes. I don't know what roads, more 240 meters, so we'll be taking right. We'll be merging into NH44. This NH44 from Kanyakumari, it will go till Srinagar, guys. For those of you who don't know, this is one hell of a big highway here. It travels all through the India part. Yes, we got merged into NH44. Let's hit it. Yesterday night also we saw many windmills here. GoPro is definitely not capturing, I know. But I don't know if it's our bad luck or by luck. We didn't see windmills. Now also we are exiting Kanyakumari in the night. Yesterday when we entered it was dark. We didn't see here, right here, there is one green light, no? That is a windmill actually. So you guys can't see, that's fine. Next time, we'll come next time and we'll explore all this stuff which we missed in this trip. There is some constructions happening here and there. So we are being deviated from the main highway. This is the main highway. All across this highway are windmills. Lot of crosswinds from that time. So our head is literally going like this. So winds are from left, right. So I'm ducking like this and riding also, but it is not helping. I just pulled over to put back my GoPro. It started raining in the few kilometers back. I think 50 kilometers back it started raining before reaching Tirunelveli. We are 168 kilometers to Rameshwaram hotel. We have booked a hotel. So from Kanyakumari we rode back to Tirunelveli and we exited the highway and we took a right. So we are passing by all state highways. Time is 8:52, almost 9 o'clock. And when we inquired with hotel people, that guy said there is no dinner available, please eat outside and come. Thing with Tamil Nadu is I think by 8 o'clock all the hotels will be closed. Figure out a way to have something here itself. These are like this. We are entering via villages and also we have to be a bit careful. I'm using aux light, so I'm a bit careful when oncoming traffic comes. I'm like switching it off. Yeah, apart from that, ride is going good. We are enjoying. Yeah, one part we had to encounter with rain in the highway itself. Speed breaker, speed breaker, speed breaker. And in my top box, I'm carrying my laptop, and even Sriram's laptop is in my top box. So I have to be a bit careful with speed breakers. There are chances that it might get damaged. 164 kilometers, we'll stop in some time. This is core Tamil Nadu, man, seriously. Roads are pretty good if you ask me, except for the bumpy roads and a few patches here and there. Most of the roads in Tamil Nadu will be good. And speed breakers. When we enter a village like this, we are slowing down. See, he's telling me there is a speed breaker. Yes. Oh. Arrival time is 12 o'clock it seems. Rameshwaram 152 Thuthukudi. Right 23. You get the cash. We'll see. Ask him what place is this? Kolattur. Okay, okay. Anyway, Sriram is getting some cash. We'll have some dinner. We saw one small hotel. So guys, we just finished our dinner there. 9 o'clock sharp, all the shops and all the restaurants, everything will be shut except fuel pumps. As we finished, so cops came, they said to close the hotel, the small hotel. So we were just in time. That's what I wanted to share. Time is 9:30. 145 kilometers more to Rameshwaram. I mean to our hotel. Now I think we should be doing, this is NH32 it seems. It's a single lane, plus opposite also we have some oncoming traffic. Guys, embrace yourselves. We have reached Pamban Bridge. Of course we can't see anything on this bridge as of now. Tomorrow morning while returning I'll show you guys in a proper way. Now I think some construction work is going on. Speed limit 30, yes, this is from this point the Pamban Bridge starts, the iconic. Okay, they're doing the construction and stuff, but we can't see anything now. 12 kilometers to our hotel, we are almost there. Once we get down this bridge, we'll be in Rameshwaram. Technically, we are in gullies of Rameshwaram. Where is this taking on? Plus the same road goes to Dhanushkodi also, so tomorrow morning it will be easy for us. Caution, cow alert, Dhanushkodi left. Okay, we'll go tomorrow, bro. This is Rameshwaram railway station and this is our hotel, Rameshwaram Grand. We'll see how grand it is. Finally we reached. Time is 11:10. You know, Google's time was 12 o'clock. One day enga park. Whew, nice, no? Huh? Place is good. Near railway station. We'll go and sit there for some time. Finished. Done. Huh? Roads, man. What butter smooth roads, man. He came so close to me. He was here in one speed breaker. Since I have laptop and all, every speed breaker was slowing down. He came here and he braked. You went on the right.
Yeah, I went on the right. I saw.
I got so pissed off, then I smashed. That too, it's an old car. It is struggling. I have few questions to ask in front of camera. I'll ask once we go to room. Guys, wait for those questions. Question is, how was the ride? First question. Genuine. See, we didn't discuss about the ride.
Yeah.
People are listening from my point of view. So just tell, like, what was your experience till date?
I mean, one word would be that it was unexpected.
Oh.
At
Okay.
first, I thought, it'll be like, okay, Kanyakumari.
Okay, yeah.
We'll just see the touristy places and
Yeah.
I mean, it's just like something to pass the weekend. A lot of things came together, like the time we went and
Yeah.
the weather and the hotel.
Yeah,
And
hotel
also
view.
the COVID lockdown situation.
Situation, yeah,
People
tourist
were
side.
less.
Yeah, people are less.
So-
Especially how was today's ride from Kanyakumari to Rameshwaram?
Roads were really good. Tirunelveli, it was the same.
Till Tirunelveli, yeah. We got some rain also. Again, I was kind of pissed off because while entering Kanyakumari also we got rains.
Yeah, exactly.
While exiting also we got rains. One thing is we couldn't see the windmills part. Windmills part also we missed. That's fine. Okay guys, so I'll end the video here. It is time is around 11:45. So see you in the next one. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. So comment down what are your thoughts. If you like the video, just hit the like button. If you dislike it, there is no issues. Tomorrow we'll go to Dhanushkodi and then on the same day we are returning back to Bangalore. Because Monday is Sriram's birthday. He has a couple of things planned. See you guys in the next one.